Hello and welcome. Today we will see the very important topic, that is reliability and validity. Let's see what is reliability and validity. Reliability is giving the certain results or the same results if we are repeating the experimentation. So the observation or experimentation, if repeated over a period of time, this gives the same results. This is called reliability. Whereas the validity is the extent to which certain outcome is correct. For example, we are observing certain phenomena like asking whether there should be equality between men and women. The most of the answer, whether you observe or experiment or ask questions, such questions in certain place or another place or over a period of time, at a particular point of time and after a long period of time, you will have the similar answer, or that would be yes. Yes, there should be equality between men and women. So in these kinds of observation, we find that after repetition of experimentation, you will have same results. That is, these kinds of phenomena, these kinds of results has reliability or consistency. You can also call this consistency. So this is about consistency of results or outcome. Okay. And the validity is correctness. How far? Like in a survey, we found that 90% of people say in yes, and 10% say in no. So this 90%, to what extent this is 90% is correct, the instrument that is used, the calculation that is used. So this 90%, you can say sometimes it is 90% correct, it is 99% correct, it is 100% correct. The way certain outcome is correct, to the extent this outcome is correct, is called the validity. That means more correctness means more validity of the phenomena. So this is about the correctness, this is about the consistency of this certain outcomes. So consistency relate with reliability and correctness relate with the validity. Now this reliability could be of three types. When single methods give same results, using single method at different places, you have same results. This kinds of reliability is called quixotic reliability. And suppose there are some observations and you found observations stable over a period of time. However, in a rapid society with a rapid change, there is less likely to have a stability of observations. But suppose there are stability of observations and the society is not at, you can say, the rapid change, not experiencing certain kinds of rapid change, then there are chances that you have the stability of observations. So these kinds of reliability, giving similar results over a period of time in a very, you can say, peaceful environment, you have these kinds of reliability, and that is called diachronic reliability. Now there is a different, that is called the synchronic reliability, when within the same period of time, but using different methods, different data, sometimes different places, you can say the field is different. So the methods, data, field is different, but time period is the same, and you having the same result or similar results. Such kinds of reliability is called synchronic reliability. So you can say in the first two, even this time is changed, but other things remains the same, while in this synchronic, time is not changed, and this methods, field, data, that is changed and giving the same results. So there are three types of this reliability: quixotic, diachronic, and synchronic reliability. Again, now we can see the validity. Validity, we have seen that it is about the correctness, the extent to which certain observation is correct is called validity. So validity or accuracy of data generated by researchers through certain instrument. So that instrument, how accurate is that instrument is there. So validity shows the accuracy of data generated by research instruments. To bring about the validity, or you can say the accuracy, Walcott says what you should do. You should do while in the field for research, you should refrain from talking, rather you should focus more on listening, less on talking. So listen more, talk less. Another one is provide good field reports as exact as possible. Field reports, it should be as exact as possible, means you do not put your own values, your own sensitivity into your report. Just report what is there, you have observed there. Okay. So this is value neutral to its fullest. And another thing is, advice is to write as early as possible, so that you do not forget anything and you produce more accurate results. So these two concepts of reliability and validity is, reliability is more focused on, is actually about the consistency, and validity is about the correctness. Reliability could be of the three types, and validity, for acquiring the validity, you should, according to Walcott, you should observe certain advice, three advices given by Walcott. This reliability, we can say, is more qualitative in nature, and the methodology that is used could be participant observations, we will see later what is participant observation, observing and through participating in certain fields or certain groups. So it is qualitative in nature. Quasi participant observation is also there, non-participant observation is there. So what is participant observation, we will see in the next class. So this reliability have, you can say, yes, qualitative in nature, and the methodologies that is used is participant observations, also open-ended interviews also shows this reliability, and validity is about correctness. It is more, you can say, quantitative. So this is what about the basics of reliability and validity. Thank you very much.